how to replace the front turn signal bulbs in your Chevy Impala. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Per the owner's manual, the front parking and turn signal lamp is a 7444, so that's what you need to replace that. So go ahead and pop the hood. The front turn signal bulbs are easy to get to. This is the passenger side, and we can see it right here. And we'll move over to the driver's side, and we can see the driver's side right here. So this is the passenger side. This is the headlight assembly. Right here is our blinker and parking lamp bulb. So I'm just gonna grab it and twist it counterclockwise. Pull it out. And now the bulb will just pull straight out. And here is the bulb. So when you get your new one, just take it, snap it in. Once you've got the new bulb snapped in, put it into the opening and twist it clockwise to lock it into position. Just like that. So now we're going to go and do the driver's side. So grab it, twist it counterclockwise. Pull it out. Now you can take the bulb, pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, snap it in. Insert the bulb and twist it clockwise to lock it into position. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.